So I open the laptop from inside, and now you can see the coolers, how dirty is it. Hello guys, if your laptop have some overheating problem or some cooling problem, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your gaming laptop. Just for me, I will take my Asus TUF gaming laptop and just see what I will do with them. Okay, this laptop was have cooling problem. They cannot working correctly from inside, and I think I will open it and check the coolers how it working, because I think they need clean too much. First I will take the screws and I will open it. Laptop is opened from the screws from here, and with it I will open my laptop now. If you don't have thing like this, you can use some old credit card or anything like slim, like with this size. It's already open. Okay. Don't do it fast, do it very carefully. Okay, now we can see what we have here. So I open the laptop from inside, and now you can see the coolers, how dirty is it. There is everything. And imagine I cleaned it 1 month ago, and people who don't cleaning the laptop coolers like 1 year, 3 year, 4 year, that will be another thing. Okay, just I will clean now. So I will take some brush like this, and very carefully I will clean this one. Okay, now I have thing like this. It's like a liquid, and this liquid is eating the dusts. and you can use it with laptop. But if you don't have it, just only clean it and leave them alone. Now I clean the coolers like this, and this laptop will work very cool. It's very super easy to clean your laptop. All you need is this thing, and just you can open it and clean it before they will not die. Really, I will show you now my laptop temperature. Before I cleaned, there was a temperature like 55 degree, but now it's like a, just see. So I will open the application now, which showing us the temperature of CPA, and let's check together. So you see this 40 degree. It's really very good temperature. Thank you guys to watching my video. Just don't forget to like my video and subscribe, please.